Oh,
Daddy doesn't fly away.
I don't know.
There you go, baby. What else did you spot? Yeah, that's the kangaroo.
I've never seen it.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this afternoon's Penguin Sea and Tour. So we're feeding both species of penguins this afternoon. So that's our lovely little Humboldt penguins and our beautiful big king penguins as well. So she's allowed to eat whatever she wants, basically. It's going to do absolutely no harm. It is disturbing to see a parrot eat. And you need to be getting a fish to the face, so good luck with that. That adds a bit of drama to the talk, doesn't it? We're starting off by feeding our lovely Humboldt penguins. Now, we haven't got all of our Humboldt penguins that have come from the feed this afternoon, and that is because we actually have some on their nests, which is incredibly exciting. So, all along this back room and right down at the end over there, we have a lot of pink nest boxes, and all of them have decided to nest, or all of them in their partners. We only have one penguin without a partner at the moment, which is a little bit sad. And that is our beautiful girl Splash. But don't worry, she is on all the dating websites, and we are very much hoping we'll find a boyfriend for her soon. The penguins, they go through an annual molt, and this is basically because if they're molted like every other bird species, there we go, my jets. That can be fun. If they're molted like every other bird species, where they lose one feather at a time, and for 8 years of her life, we did think that she was a boy, hence the name Bill, until she laid an egg, which is pretty solid proof that she's a girl, poor love. Now,
Flamingo.
Yeah?
So pretty! Susie! Look at them!
Flamingo. Flamingo.
Daddy, look what the beautiful creature, right? That's all that information back to you. No. क्या मजा है ना? हाँ डैडी.
Why are they so loud?
घाँटीमा उत्यो जस्तो हुँदो रहेछ नि त.
Yeah, the bag.
एयर ब्याग.
Another, उनीहरू फाइट गर्नु भनेर एउटा एउटा राखेको क्या. Look. Whoa. It's got a double head.
Is that it?
Oh, white one.
Yeah.
यो अलग ठिक रहेछ हैन?
They've been
छोड्दैछ
taken
नि
care
त.
with the beautiful water, huh? That bird looks like a star.
So shy.
Not shy, it's like daddy.
It's like nervous.
Not daddy. Look at the house, Kiwi.
Why are the oysters big?
I don't know. They can see you.
फर्स्ट टाइम
Tortoises that bite.
मम्मी फर्स्ट टाइम देखेको है हिँडेको
Snappers are tortoises that bite.
Yeah, they do. They hide in the shell.
Yeah. Oh, it tells you where they are.
Yeah, they parrots ran out in front of me.
No, it's actually a parasauropus.
Okay, whatever.
Keep going.
Look.
Go.
Let me find my egg.
Kubik. Kubik.
Is that your family?
No.
Which dinosaur is that? I don't know. Look then. Why are you here? Mana bro?
ठिकै छ
OSWCAR.
So the one.
And you there?
OSWCAR.
Mm.
And there's absolutely none of them.
You got it?
Yeah, I've got all the eggs in Jurassic Journey.
Oh, Diplodocus.
I've already got it. That looks like a Nessie. Walking Nessie.
That looks a bit real, Anna bro.
Hmm.
Look at that one.
Mummy.
Too big.
के गरेको मोटे
And eggs.
खोइ कतिवटा पाइस
OSWCAR. Not cheap.
मेरो फ्यामिली खिच्न मन लाग्छ मलाई त के गर्ने अब यस्तो नराम्रो छ यो को हो यो फेरि यिनीहरू चाहिँ भुइँमा बनाउने रहेछ हौ होइन अन्डा बनाउँदैछ है क्या ए मोठे के खोज्दैछस् के खोजेको